Hello everybody! Today's video is about instant karma. Enjoy watching it. This SUV passed me doing about 80 miles an hour. The speed limit is 60, but cops usually allow 10 over. And unknown to that driver was a perfectly positioned karma cop that nailed him for speeding. At least that's my guess. The driver of the red car decided to turn around while on the side of the road, and the driver of the Audi was using the oncoming lane to avoid the traffic jam. Thanks to a subscriber for the video. Note the gray car that will be speeding in the leftmost lane. The driver first overtook the author in violation of a solid line, and then did it again, but already on the corner, for which he was instantly punished.
Oh yeah, you're cool. Maybe you shouldn't signal as you're turning. Could have got behind me. Oh yeah, Insta karma, baby! Insta karma, baby!
The driver of the Mazda flew through a red light and immediately got what he deserved. This driver came up on me in a 60 km/h zone traveling at around 100. After turning onto the highway, he continued to tailgate, so I let the idiot pass me with amazing results. The driver of the Ford should have given way to the author, but even when he saw that he was not let in, he decided to get his way at any cost. See what happened next in the video. The question of having or not having been able to let him pass is left out of the picture. But why was he trying to get his way when he saw that you were not letting in? I don't know. The cop caught the gray Honda over the speed limit. Thanks for watching and have a great week.